Are you tired of cluttered drawers and misplaced tools? Stick around because this DIY project will transform your chaos into order with a simple yet effective solution. Here's your life pro tip. Create a simple tool organizer using a repurposed shoebox. It's efficient, cost-effective, and easy to make. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need an empty shoebox, some dividers like cardboard or small containers, and a ruler. Step 2. Measure and cut the dividers to fit inside the box. Step 3. Arrange the dividers to create sections for different tools. Step 4. Secure them in place with glue or tape. This tip works because it organizes your tools in a way that makes them easily accessible, saving you time and frustration when you need to find something. Plus, repurposing items reduces waste. You can also customize this organizer for craft supplies, office stationery, or even kitchen utensils. Just adjust the size and layout based on your needs. Be mindful that larger tools may not fit well in a shoebox. For those, consider using larger containers. But for smaller items, this tip is perfect. Implementing this DIY tool organizer will declutter your space, save you time, and reduce stress. Get started today and enjoy a more organized life.